Hi guys, and welcome back on Very Viral YouTube channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how to hard reset from recovery mode in Moto G4 Plus and G4 plate. So to do that, first thing you must do is to power off your phone and select power off. And now you must push and hold for 3 seconds the volume down and the power button on 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we have a new menu on this phone, and from volume down and volume up you can select let's play the volume down button, and this is the bootloader menu, and this is the recovery menu. Okay, and to select the recovery menu, just hit the power button and wait a few seconds. And now we have the Android logo on the screen, and to enter in recovery mode you must push and hold the power button and the volume up button. So I will press the power button and now the volume up. Now I am being the recovery menu and the with volume down button. Now select wipe data factory reset. Okay, and press the power button to pan here, and now with the volume down select you can delete user data only, or you can delete user data and personal website content. Okay, and just hit the power button to do that and wait a few seconds. Okay, now to reboot the system, now just press again the power button and wait until your phone will restart. Okay, now I'm back. All that humans do in the initial setup, just hit next button. Okay, and that's all. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.